Hello and welcome back into the channel. For those that are new here, my name is Taylor, and today we're going to be going over all of my dividend income from the month of July 2021. So with all that being said, let's just jump straight into the video and show you exactly how much I made from dividends, which companies paid me out, and what companies those were, how much I own of each company, and all that. But before we jump into that, this video is brought to you by M1 Finance. You can find that link down in the description below. They're going to give you $30 of absolutely free money to start investing when you fund your account. And that is one of the greatest ways that you can start investing and getting that free money and getting those dividends coming in each and every month. If you want to take advantage of that, that link will be down in the description below. So let's jump straight into the video. I'm going to show you which companies paid me, how much I own of each of those, and how much that company paid me. So if you enjoy this video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel down below, hit the little bell notification to notify you when I do come out with a new video. And the first one up was none other than Coca-Cola. I own Coca-Cola in two of my accounts. In one account, I have 20.3 shares, and it paid me out a dividend of $8.47. In the second account, I have 1.6 shares, and it paid me out a dividend of 62 cents. Next one up is Nike. I love the stock, I love their clothing, I love their shoes, everything about Nike. I own 0.48 shares, and they paid me out a dividend of 12 cents. Next one up is Realty. Again, I own this one in two different accounts. In one account, I have 8.1 shares, and they paid me out a dividend of $1.90. In the second account, I have 0.77 shares, and they paid me out a dividend of 17 cents. Fourth one up is Stag Realty. It's another REIT, real estate investment trust. I own 0.74 shares, and they paid me out a dividend of 9 cents. Fifth one up of the group is none other than Maine. It's another real estate investment trust. I have 0.95 shares, and they paid me out a dividend of 20 cents. Now the sixth one up here is Gain Realty. So pretty similar to Maine. So I own 3.46 shares of Gain Realty, and they paid me out a dividend of 21 cents. Now the seventh one up here is NRZ. Again, it's another monthly dividend paying stock. I have 4.09 shares, and they paid me out a dividend of 54 cents. Now the eighth and final company that paid me out this month is none other than Jpmorgan. Again, I own this in two different stock accounts. In the first account, I have 8.13 shares, and they paid me out a dividend of $7.27. Now in the second account, I have a lot less. I have 0.48 shares, and they paid me out a dividend of 38 cents. So that's all my dividend income from the month of July. It's definitely a down month, but then again, I don't have as many companies paying me out this month as I have in other months. And so this month is one of those down months, but we are growing from those 3-month time spans of when those quarterly dividend payments are coming in. So overall, I got paid $19.97 in total from dividend income this month. So if we take a look over here at my total running for the year, you can see total I've made $226.17 from dividend income. Now my plan going forward is I'm going to be adding at least $500 each and every month into dividend paying stocks to where I can continue to grow and grow that snowball effect to where I'll be getting hundreds of dollars in dividend payments each and every month in the near future. So hopefully that is definitely sooner rather than later of when I can start making hundreds of dollars in dividend income. I'm going to be sharing that with you guys. So stay tuned for those future videos in the coming months. And make sure you hit that little bell notification to notify you when I do come out with new videos. So definitely looking to continue to grow this into the future. I'm excited for it to continue to snowball and snowball and snowball and get bigger and bigger and bigger, where I have hundreds of dollars coming in each month. So if you guys want to stick around for that journey, make sure you subscribe to the channel down below, hit the little bell notification to notify you when I come out with a new video. Make sure you like the video if you did enjoy it. And with all that being said, catch you guys next time.